Everybody wants to make money online. Everybody wants to make money online. But how many of you are able to learn new skill to be able to make big money online? I've been making so many videos about how to make money online. And most of these sites that I show you guys, you can actually make money online with those websites. But to be very honest with you, you really can't make big money with all those websites because you can be making daily money, but the money won't be much. But for those of you that would like to make big money online, my advice to you guys will be that you have to learn an exceptional skill. You have to learn a new skill, okay, a high income skill. High income skill is the only way that will enable you to make a huge amount of money online. When I mean high income skill, I mean learning something that can make you good money. Going to all these websites and doing some minor tasks, signing up on a new website for someone else, or doing some little tasks for someone else will only earn you maximum of 0.5, 0.8, 0.6, 0.3. But if you want to make big money online, I will advise you guys to go into high income skills. When I mean high income skills, let me just mention few for you. Graphics design is a very high income skill. Depending on how good you are, I can make you good money. For those of you that are watching this video is a 360-degree video. So if you're watching from a laptop, you can use your mouse. If your laptop is a touch screen, you can move around this video. And if you're watching from your phone, you can use your hands to turn around, and see all the environment in this video. You can also tilt your phone left and right, and you can be able to see all the environment in this video. For those of you that would still like to learn this kind of video, how to play this kind of video, I will leave a link in the description below this video, or you can join my Telegram channel and the tutorial on how to create and edit this kind of video goes in my online store. You can change color, you can add background music, you can do a whole lot, you can add title, you can add anything, okay? So if you like to learn how to create 360-degree virtual video, this kind of video can create the any virtual editor set in the world. Once you're wearing your VR headset, you can be like inside this environment where we're making this video. You can be able to turn around and see all the environments where we're making this video. So for those of you that would like to learn how to create 360 videos, 360 and virtual videos makes you stand out in a crowded YouTube environment. In YouTube, a lot of people are creating different videos, but you hardly see 360-degree virtual videos on YouTube. The people that are creating 360-degree virtual videos are mostly in the United States. Or here in Nigeria and Africa, just a few number of people, which you can as well count. I've not really seen any African creating 360 virtual videos. So you want to stand out from the crowd, you can learn how to create 360-degree videos on your YouTube. If you're doing tutorial, this is not the best video for you, but if you're doing podcast, if you're doing vlog, if you're doing other kind of videos, this is going to be a very wonderful kind of video for you, and it easily goes viral. So those of you that would like to know everything that you need to start creating virtual 360-degree videos, I will leave a link to my online store, and I will leave a link to my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel, or you can go straight to my online store and learn it. So the number one skill I told you guys is learning graphic design. Graphic design pays a lot of money depending on how good you are. Another skill that you can learn is content creating. Content creating brings a lot of money if you know your way through content creating, if you know how to create content here, because creating content for companies or for individuals for their adverts cost up to 50 to 70,000 naira per 1 minute or 2 minutes video, and this is a very good money For those of you that really want to earn, so in a week, if you can get up to 3 or 4 jobs, you're making nothing less than 150 to 200,000 naira. So content creating is wonderful. With content creating, you can also start your YouTube channel and start creating, making different kind of videos and attract traffic to your channel. You can also decide to get content for sale, and people will also buy your content once they know that you're very good in what you're doing, or once they have watched your tutorial and know that you give out information that is very useful. You're an expert or channel whatever you're doing. So that is the number 2, which is content creating. And the number 3 that is really giving a lot of money now is podcast. Podcast is really giving a lot of money, millions, not even thousands. I am not into podcasts, but I've heard a lot of people talking about podcasts, talking about how much they have made it TikTok, but I really don't know much about it. But if you want to learn more about it, and do your research on YouTube, on Google, and learn more about podcasts. I can't do everything myself. I'm only on content creating, and that is actually giving you a lot of money. So guys, have this in mind that if you want to make good money, you need to learn new skill, okay? Not just new skill, high-paying skills. There are so many other skills. I'll make another video and I'll explain more skills, which I'm going to detail in my screen. On this video, I can't be able to detail everything on my screen because the others see the big videos. And my advice to most of my subscribers and anybody that is watching this video, that's something that I realized about Africans. We really don't like investing money. Investing in ourselves, not just money, investing in ourselves, paying for content that we know that's going to give us value. One lady called me, that was 2 weeks ago, and she was asking me about my live streaming. And I told her that my live streaming was nothing less than 50,000 naira. She was like spinning. She was like, how can she pay 50,000 naira for live streaming? And I told her that you're not just going to learn on live streaming, you're also going to learn how to connect up 28 cameras in a library, which is suitable for churches, schools, event centers, hotels, different organization, music sign of service. Connecting different cameras in a live streaming. And you can also, and not only that, you also learn how to stream games online. My online streaming is not just connected to the cameras to only live streaming. I also teach you how to stream games online, how you can stream with many cameras, how you can stream with many cameras and be able to switch your desktop, switch to any of the cameras and put a whole lot of cameras inside one stream. You can put up to 15 to 20 cameras inside one stream. You can decide to put 3, you can decide to put 3. And my live streaming is not only connected to 8 cameras. And decide to connect to 3 cameras, you can still decide to connect only 3 cameras, 4 cameras, 5 cameras, depending on how many cameras you want. And all these cameras are being connected wireless. Do I need any additional device that is going to be attached to any of the cameras or phones? Mostly phones. Phones is quite better because phones these days have a very good focus than most of the digital cameras. If you want to get a digital camera that have a very good focus, that means you have to spend up to $1 million. But with phone, you can get a phone of 150, 200, even 100 that has a very good focus. So phone is quite better for this multiple camera connection. So when I told this girl, she was like, it's too expensive. I said, okay. But inside my mind, I was like, you bring out money, you buy iPhone 13, you buy iPhone 14, you wear the best hair of 250,000 naira. That is one problem we have in this Africa. You will spend money in some things. I'm not blaming anybody how you spend your money. How you spend the money is not my case. But remember that if you're spending your money in all these gadgets and you don't have money and you're looking for a way to make money, information these days is very expensive. Information is very powerful. There's some information that you will get within 6 months your life has changed. So you guys should stop playing with information. Information is the only difference between the rich and the poor. Then we'll be sincere to know. So you guys should really play with information. So for those of you that really want to learn how to stream online, make sure you join my Telegram channel. That online course is coming very soon. For those of you that would like to learn how to create 360 degree virtual videos, make sure join my Telegram channel. But this 360 video virtual video is already on my online store, so you can join directly in my online store now because it's already available. So guys, this is all I have for you guys in this video. And for watching my video for the first time, my name is Asuken PC, and on this channel I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant things that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you updates and weekends app in the virtual reality space. So you wouldn't want to miss out my video. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button was turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.